Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In one of my previous videos, I talked about end screen. Adding an end screen to your YouTube video is one of the most effective way to direct viewers to watch more of your content. So in this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to add end screen to your video using your phone. It's very simple. So let's dive straight into the main tutorial. Open your Chrome browser and type in studio.youtube.com. It will bring you to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on this horizontal line on the left side of your screen and click on Contents. You will see a list of all your uploaded videos. Select the video you want to add end screen. Click on the video title here to open up the video details. On the right side of your screen, you will see end screen. Click on it. Next, click on this plus elements. Now you can see video, playlist, subscribe, channel, and link. Well, what this basically means is that you can choose to add one of your other videos as your end screen. Promote a playlist. You can add a subscribe button link for viewers to subscribe directly from the end screen. If you have another channel, it can be added to your end screen. You can also add your personal website link if you have one. The end screen appears in the last 2 to 20 seconds of your video, and you can add up to 4 elements. But make sure to resize them and ensure they don't overlap too much. You can choose to use any of your video in your end screen or allow YouTube to select the video that is best for your viewers. Click and position it correctly to be visible to viewers. Then click on the Save button. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't fail to reciprocate by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when next I drop a new video. And please don't forget to like and share this video.